Okay, so most of you, if you're checking your email regularly, will have seen that I sent you an IXL link, or IXL sent you the link rather. You're going to navigate to your Gmail if you don't know what I'm talking about, and open up your inbox, and you'll see this in this email. Now, I'm using a guest account, but this will be your name, right? First name and last name, and then I believe it's just using the number 251 for our class. It'll generate some password for you. You're going to go to this link and you can copy and paste your username. Go to this link, copy and paste the username, go back. You can see it's 44 South. That just happens to be this password. Yours will be different. If you're using Google Chrome, it should remember. It will offer to remember that for you after you've signed in. Once you've signed in, it brings you to this recommendation screen. Now, IXL is pretty cool because you can do a lot of this practice on your own. So for those of you looking for more practice, or you feel like you don't understand something after you've done the Think Central, you can go through it and find the skill, and I'll show you how to do that. To start, I've given you guys one skill suggested, okay? And this is actually a percent-based skill. This is using those strip models that I was showing you. Now, when you click this, you can see it says solve percent problems using strip models. And as soon as you click in here, this timer is going to start to go. Don't worry about the timer. Do the best you can with time. But it also gives you an option to learn with an example. So if you click down here, it's going to give you this, and then it explains how to solve the problem. Please try the problem first, right? In this instance, just for the record, it says Logan borrows 12 books from the library. 25% of them are about monarch butterflies. How many of the books are about monarch butterflies? We talked about the strip model, and what you're going to do is break this model down, right? You have to first you have to choose which model it represents. So you know that there's 12 books he's borrowing. 25% of them are about monarch butterflies. So 12 is to 100% as 25 is to question mark. In this case, this is the right one. What you're then going to do is use the known relationships between percents to solve the problem. So 25% is to 100, right? That's 1/4. So if you divide 100 by 4, you get 25. So divide 12 by 4, you get 3, which is your answer. And that's what this explains to you down here, right? So bar models can be used with 10%. They can be used with 25%, 50%, anything that you can compose evenly up to 100. I think this is something I tried to explain to you. We would have done a lot more work on this if we had been together in class, but it's a great way to really hammer home percent problems. So we go back to practice here, and you can see my timer's been ticking the whole time. Again, no big deal. Don't even worry so much about this. I'm just looking for the diagnostics. And then there's even this part down here, not feeling ready yet. This can help understanding percents strip models. If you click on this, it will walk you back through some prerequisite stuff. So I want you guys to try this this approach and then submit it when you're done. IXL is something we're going to just give a little bit of a trial. I want to use it as extra practice and another means for us to both enrich and reteach, because we all know that Think Central isn't our favorite right now. All right, so that kind of ends this video, and I hope it makes sense. I want you all to try this as soon as possible. It should not take you too long. Probably less than 20 minutes. Okay, so let's get in here, and good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.